All right, welcome to today's hands-on. We'll be implementing the concept of cluster pulling or pulls, anything we can say. I'll go to compute and here we have the pulls here. Let's click on it. I need to click on create pull. Now let's first understand what this pull is all about. So pulling reuses pre-warmed nodes for faster startup. We can assign our cluster to the pull. So first, let's give a name to our pull, like Cloud Guru Amit pull. So min idle. So here is the min idle. We can mention the instances which do not terminate or terminate. Min idle 1, we can keep max capacity. Again, it's optional. And then we have the auto termination thing. After, just like when we spin a compute, remember, we can mention this time to save cost, because it will terminate if it is not getting used up or it's idle for a specific time. Let's give it 5 minutes. Then again, we need to select the instance type. Will have the same flavor here as well. If we need a GPU accelerated, we can select it as per our workload, or a simple general purpose may be good enough for our workload. Then we can specify the Databricks runtime version as well. So I'll select 18.1. So basically, nodes or pulling will reduce our startup time. So that's what is the function of it. And last but not least, we have the on demand or spot. We can create on demand if we need all the time, like it will be for a specific time, and spot all spot the concept as goes. So all demand I'll keep. I'll click on create. Now under the compute again, if we go to the pulls, we can find our pull is listed here, what we have spin. So that's what it goes, the concept. So pulling basically reuses pre-warmed nodes for faster startup. Thank you so much for watching. Let's meet in our next lecture.